Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch between TV and handheld mode on Nintendo Switch 2. To do it, basically you can put the Nintendo into the dock and it's in TV mode right now. And what I mean by that, the dock has to be plugged into the power and also to the TV with HDMI cable. At the back of the dock there is this like lid that I have actually taken off for a moment, and there are some ports that you can just plug into your TV and to the power, and now it's in TV mode. And as soon as I take the device out of the dock, it's in handheld mode right now, and if I put it back in, then it's in TV mode. Should be, technically. Yeah, it is. And if I press on the power button, it goes to sleep. If I press on it again, it turns back on. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.